morning. Hi guys. Bandina.
Hi.
Adam Rotterdam. Yes, finally we are on our day 3. You day 2 as day 3. I'm Rapon to Lechi. We didn't survive Gorisakyo camping and she's doing very well. Even Eloise is doing very well. Ani, look at her. She's so happy. She's sleeping happy. She's eating happily. Are you happy? Wait. Yes, good on the. Ani, we got beautiful view. Look at it when we open. We birds. Hi birds, Bananda. Hi guys, where to go? Genuinely punto topi naniga. La, so many birds. We are a cockaboo. Umari. Tree ma the tree ma. Want to call tree a flower. The flower or a tree letter. And a punto tree one stop. Flower one in tree.
Good morning. Good morning, Elvis. And our Puntu. How are you doing? Good? Good? You doing good? Yeah? Say hello. Hello. Say hello. That's good. Uncle Irvin. Good morning.
Morning,
It's the third day going on today.
Yes, the guys are so excited.
Yes. AJ, good morning.
Meet you.
This is your blog and I'm speaking. This is the third day. The sun is going good. It's going good at least. Look at this. Alice, wait.
Okay, you guys all right, guys?
Yes, we're good.
Enjoy the breakfast.
That's fine.
Sure. Jamra breakfast, so. With Nick now. Nick, here we are going for a hike, so yeah, take you with us. Punto ठीक छ नि?
उताबाट जाने हो?
हाय
उता सोध्नु। यहाँ म्याप हेर्नु।
यो जाने ठाउँ चाहिँ हिजो पनि टेकेको थियो अनि हिजो चाहिँ हामीले भिडियो बनाउने उयो नै गरेन सो आज चाहिँ हामीले we checked everything and we are just hiking with her. So yeah, we're planning to go to the viewpoint. So we have to...
Distance 10 meters one way. यही माथि यही भयो नि देव स्कुल भनेपछि माथि पुल होला 3 किलोमिटर है रिटर्न त्यो क्यास्केड
Not too far.
साला चाहिँ मेन आयो यो चाहिँ फल्स आयो हो यो 10 किलोमिटर छ गएर आउँदा हामीलाई 2 घण्टा जान आउँछ
Not too far.
यो चाहिँ रुमलाई एउटा हेर्न पठाएको छ नि Baby, how are you?
Beautiful.
Hi, Butter. Look, हामी लेकमा आइपुग्यो हो के खाँदैछ बन्धुले के खाँदैछ मेरो बेबीले अब हामी रिभर क्रस गर्छौँ होला सायद है सायद ममा यस्तो नजानु
Be careful.
याद गरे कहाँबाट आएको हामी है आमा बिया कुन्टु हाई गर्दै
Hi.
हाई मामा
Mommy. Hi, mommy baby.
हामीलाई हाई
High five.
पानी पानी
High five. Beautiful. Look at it. Look at.
हाई फाइभ
High five. Go to that line. Be careful. There you go. Appa, be careful here.
यहाँ त के भन्नु
Do you want to stop? Because he don't have time as well. So beautiful. We are here for quick stop. ल हामी ल कुकुरहरू खान लागेको छ त्यही हो अनि या She's okay, Appa. Appa, la bichara ka Appa. Appa, you're so bad. Bichara puntu ko. We're back to campsite. Long way down. Long way down. Long way is always better. Shortcut is dangerous. त्यही हो अब Arvin, Eloise and Grace are at campsite because Eloise निदाउन लागेको थियो त्यही भएर Eloise look त्यही भएर हामी चाहिँ अब campsite जाँदैछौँ. Then we will let you know what we will do today.
We'll be back at camp. Apa भन नि त फर्केको अनि फर्केर campsite जान्छ कुन सुनिरहेको त्यही भएर फर्केको very very tired बिचरा चेन्ज पनि नगरी सुत्यो त्यही भएर कति मिनट टाढा त होइन तर पनि हामी के भन्छ किन गाडीमा गएको हुन्छ बच्चाहरू भएर हो सामानहरू नयाँ campsite मान्छे आउनु थालेछ आज त मान्छे धेरै आउनु थालेछ यो हाम्रो campsite so beautiful and they're cooking pasta we're cooking pasta
Roll on.
and these two guys are sitting next to the fire and enjoying some chips and I'm also boiling some pasta
boiling here. Boiling pasta, yeah. And we will have dinner, early dinner. After that, we are going to go take some sunset photos. Stay was a planche. It's pretty, looking good. Up inside, looking so good. Nick, come. I think enough. Okay, mommy, we're going. Okay, always enjoy yourself. Punto, you also enjoy yourself.
Take your time.
Okay.
Enjoy your time. My drone because
It's-
we're going the dangerous. I mean, it's not not very dangerous, but it's like a bit risky job.
Okay. What else do you want me to do? Would you like to set
This
up?
will be your tripod today.
Okay. Thank you very much. This is mine. Should we set the camera or no? Not yet?
We will. Oh yeah, I will set it up now. So later when we go set up, or when we go there, it's all.
Yeah.
But I'll set up the camera settings.
Sure. We're going to take some. That's my teacher for sunset photography, and we're going there now. Are you ready, Uncle Arvin? Let's go.
Auntie, we just need to prepare a little bit, huh? So
Sure.
later,
Sure.
we'll set up
Okay.
the tripod.
Here?
Yeah. Just find somewhere to set up the tripod.
So beautiful.
So let's start.
Okay.
So when you take a photo, you want a foreground, a nice. What do you want, a landscape or like a portrait?
Landscape and portrait both.
Okay.
I can't
Which
have
one you
both.
prefer?
Landscape and
It's like this. So you have your
I'm good, Uncle
Okay,
Arvin.
let's go. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you for teaching.
Thank you. No, you're
It was such an awesome view. 1 hour maybe?
Yeah, about 1 hour, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Ruben will be jealous.
I know. You know, when I was shooting there, I was thinking of Ruben.
Oh my god, we will keep on laughing if you go out with him. Let's work more laugh.
Huh?
Let's work more laugh with Ruben.
When you were shooting,
Yeah?
Ruben.
Yeah. He will come, he will come. We really want to do the videography class.
Yeah. Go for it.
Thank you very much, Uncle Arvin.
No worries, no worries. Happy to teach, you know, so if you guys want to learn photography, subscribe to my channel. There
Yeah.
are lots of random stuff in there, and then maybe you'll learn, maybe you'll not, but hope you
Please
enjoy
don't
it.
forget to watch.
Yeah, just watch and see if you like it.
Yeah, that's right. We're going back to the Bonzo! Hi, baby. Mama May, do you want to come?